Good morning class 8. Today I am going to show you the demonstration of the frictional force. For that I am taking some daily life examples where the frictional force comes to play. So if I am going to move this car on a table, you are just seeing that the tires of the car are rubbing with the table. The tires of the car, they are going to rub with the table. That is the frictional force. Whenever the two surfaces are in contact with each other, they are moving, they are sliding over each other, there is a force of friction which comes to play. Because of this tires and the surface, there is a force of friction, and because of this force of friction, these vehicles are able to move on the road. Similarly, we are able to walk on the road because of the frictional force. If there is no friction, which is not possible, then the surface would be so slippery that we are not able to stand. So where the frictional force comes to play? When we are walking also. Okay, and if I am rubbing my hands, what I am showing you, there is a frictional force because my two hands are rubbing with each other, and because of this frictional force, विंटर्स में क्या होता है, हम अपने हाथों को ऐसे रब करते हैं ना, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स देयर इज अ हीट जनरेटेड इन आवर हैंड्स, देयर इज अ फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स विच कम्स टू प्ले. Similarly, there is also matchstick. If I am going to lighten up this matchstick, how I can do? I have to rub this matchstick with this. So then we are able to burn a matchstick or light a matchstick. Because of this rubbing, there is a heat generated. And next example is, in a daily life we are writing something. If we are supposed to write anything, how we are able to do? Because this pencil is going to rub over the surface of this paper, so that's why there is a frictional force which comes to play when we are writing anything. Okay, and when we are rubbing, there is again a frictional force because this eraser or the piece of paper, we are rubbing them. So frictional force, because of this frictional force, we are able to walk, we are able to write on the blackboard, we are able to write it on a paper, we are able to rub, or we are the tires of the vehicles or our shoes. Because of the frictional force, we are able to do such tasks.